Okay, Julie was saying there's not many shapes in PaintShop, and there are a couple of reasons. And what happens is that by default, when you install PaintShop, especially the latest versions, in order to make the installation file smaller, they did not include many supplies, whether it's picture tubes, shapes, brushes, etc. But they are often available if you go to, okay, it's kind of slow. If you go into, I think it's the store, and you filter by what is free, and you have the creative content. I guess some of the creative content is not free, but you have creative brush pack. But in the creative content, you have some, let's see, they're here. Oh, I guess maybe my library. I already did download them. There's creative content here. And if you are using 2023, one thing I have no idea why they started that. They have the incentive content pack. That's basically just another creative content pack, and it's free. And I think it's only for 2023. So if you go into not the library, you go here, you can sort by price, low to high. That might be a good idea. So you get everything that is free is going to be on top. That will include that creative content, and it will include the incentive pack if you are using 2023. So that will also add quite a few shapes and other kinds of supply. But also, if you want to have additional shapes, like see, I have my preset shapes. I do have a fair bit. Those in blue are mine. And you can see here we have some categories. They were folders. What you can do also is import some custom shapes. So if you happen to find shapes for Photoshop, there is a way to import them. There is a script. I did not write that one. It's called Import Custom Shapes. Should be easier enough to remember. And I would run this script. I would browse where my uh, files are. So let's go. I have a media button kit. They are CSH. So I'm not sure why the C, because why is not A for Adobe and it's not P for Photoshop. But this CSH, they are Adobe shapes. So I will open. And I can see here which all the shapes they are going to be. So I might want to just export some or convert them all. So maybe I don't know if I can select them all. No, I'll just, if I do here, convert all. I don't know if they're going to do it on their own. Haven't done that in a while. You can see it seems to be going through the list of shapes, and we are going to look into the list of preset shapes after. Good thing there's not too many. But as you can see, one file included several shapes. Okay, it looks like it's done. So let's see if I have those. No idea where they would be because I did not set maybe more on top. I forgot to set a file location for them. Oh, here. You can see here. The set was here. So I have those shapes now in my paint shop and I can use. So if you find nice shapes of Adobe, now you can get them. And I'll put a link on the page for where you can download this script. It is free, so might as well use it. Hey there! I hope you found this information useful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus.